create a photo calendar with our wide range of design templates. Before you start designing, choose your product category. Select whether you want to design a wall calendar, a desk calendar, or a monthly planner. Then choose the calendar format and the paper type of your calendar pages. In addition, you can order beautiful gift packaging or a stylish wooden cover. This can be added at a later stage as well. All the tools for filtering are in the top right-hand corner of the design selection screen. We have two options available: the pre-designed templates and customizable design templates. If you want to create something quickly but also want to create a great calendar, choose a pre-designed template. If you want to design each page yourself, then select the customizable design template. Filter accordingly in the view at the top right. Depending on the filter, all the design templates are then displayed in the large view on the left. Start the design process by clicking on your chosen design template. Click on the red button at the bottom right to continue. In the top right corner of this screen, you will find options to customize your calendar. Set the starting year and starting month of your calendar, which can begin in any month. Further below is the color selection. This allows to set a background color for the calendar pages, and this can also be done during the design process. Click on the red button at the bottom right to access the design tool. Pre-designed templates. Here are all the tools and functions you need to creatively design your calendar. Select the calendar page below by clicking on it. With a pre-designed template, all the monthly pages are already professionally pre-designed. You can change the color of the page and the number of photos in the view on the left. To do this, double-click on the selection. Inserting clip art is also possible, and you can choose from a wide range of themed symbols, pictures, and words. Just drag your selection to your chosen page and position. Drag your photos into the blue placeholders by holding down the left mouse button. This way you can decide exactly where your photos should be placed on the calendar page. On this screen, you can also add public holidays, vacations, and your own entries of birthdays or important dates. Customizable design templates. With a customizable design template, you can design each month individually, including your own entries and changing the color of each month. The page layout. Choose from different layouts, the amount of pictures, the type of calendar, and the design of the monthly page. Simply drag the layout to the right, onto the page. You are also able to design everything yourself by inserting the contents and then repositioning. To do this, use the blue handles on the object. In this way, you can determine the size of your photos and also the position of the photos. You're completely free to design. Backgrounds can also be created on the software, which you'll find in the selection on the left. Simply drag them onto the respective page or insert your own photo as a background by clicking on it with the right mouse button and then placing it on the page. Add suitable clip art to your design and drag it directly from the selection onto the respective calendar page. Change the shape of your photos by using masks and frames. Open the area on the left and drag the content directly onto your photo. You can add text as well by selecting Use New Text. This will insert a placeholder at the top for you to write your text. You can edit the text with the tools in the view on the right too. The calendar can also be edited. Simply double-click to start editing. You can insert columns, for example for a family calendar, change the color combination, adjust the colors of the lines, change the weekdays, school holidays, or public holidays. You can even choose your own font. If you want to make your own entries in the calendar, activate the Own Entries function on the right. By clicking on Add Entry, you can make your entries directly in the table below, even with your own photo. Once you've finished designing the calendar, place it in the shopping basket. Here you can add the elegant wooden cover, perfect for displaying the calendar, and beautiful gift packaging for an extra special touch. Finally, place your order with the Go to Checkout function.